No doubt about that, COVID-19 coronavirus outbreak is a very dangerous global pandemic. No matter where the number 0 virus carrier come from, human can't get rid of their guilty behaviors. Human is fully responsible of this coronavirus outbreak. There is no population immunity, which means everyone is susceptible to this virus. There are too many unknown. We don't know where this invisible enemy will appear, how serious this virus is, how the consequence will be. When can we back to normal? Virus outbreak is like terrorist act. Infected people who without any symptom can go around to infect more people. This scary thing could happen anytime and anywhere. It cause people have to do social distancing. COVID-19 coronavirus outbreak is deadly, cunning, and tenacious virus. This invisible virus killer has very scary characteristic. Infected people can relapse after cured. It also still have side effects. Long incubation period. Some virus carrier don't have symptom after infection. Hard to detect. Sometime need 3 to 4 times screening and testing to get true result. Highly contagious. Super virus carrier can infect people through contact and saliva mist. For old and have chronically disease male, once infected it seems had received death penalty. 2% to 3% mortality rate. It causes respiratory organ and other organ failure, and cause people suddenly died. Even lucky infected patient had been healed, but still left with pulmonary fibrosis and lots of side effect, need long time to recover. The first outbreak birthplace, for the sake of economy, money, and political power, their government leaders keep painting rosy picture and try to saving face, so they suppressed people's freedom of speech and hided the detail of outbreak, so they delayed the precious virus prevention time and caused this global pandemic. Lots of country government didn't prepare or delay to prevent this outbreak, because they still want to maintain country image and care about economy. The end result is this virus had put everything of our life on hold. It seems had been pressed the pause button. This virus outbreak caused the of our family and society changed for worse. Children watched their infected mother who had been taken away to central control area by force. Family members meet other members of family who had infected have to separate by far distance. Boyfriend and girlfriend meet at hospital through window glass. They can see each other, but can't touch each other. Old heavy infected patient put into body bag while still have breath, because there are short of ventilator. People are lonely and scared, so they do desperate shout during the night. It is horror scene in the horror movie. People got infected, and no hospital bed available, so patient become homeless people to avoid spread to their family. There is not exact date to unlock cities or countries. It cause fear and anxiety among people. People panic to buy toilet paper, mask, alcohol, and food. It cause other chaos situation. Countries lock down borders, transportation shut down, stock market tumble, traveling, sightseeing and restaurants have trouble to survive. People stay in isolated home become life imprisonment, lockdown city become crazy city, lockdown countries become the scenes of end time. Business plan, worldly sports event, religious meeting, public festival are cancelled. This is the war of humanity against virus. There are some countries increase oil production. it cause oil oversupply and stock price drop sharply. They really add oil into this pandemic fire. Oil crisis, economy crisis, virus crisis plus military tension increase between some countries, seems disasters never come alone. Factories shut down, stores closed, business stopped and people lost jobs. If these situation persisted for a long time, it might cause Great Depression. No doubt about that some people use virus outbreak to make extra money, and gain personnel political benefits. Conspiracy theories, race discrimination, fake information, false news, and propaganda are everywhere. One thing to worry about, it is virus outbreak get into the third world countries. Poor country already is poor, try to prevent virus spreading, it need to have lots of medical equipment, technology, and funding. When this virus outbreak spread to these places, it is the time people will died a lot. When country set up virus laboratory, its original idea is research virus characteristic and try to invent vaccine and antidote for future prevention, but this technology fall to evil man to alter its gene and become biochemical weapon. It is big threat for human survival. The entire human can do now is get rid of political, race and culture difference to fight our common enemy, Covid-19 coronavirus. Human sinful nature cause virus spreading, but through united together to defend humanity, hope someday vaccine and antidotes can be available to reduce human sufferings.